We made it out of Pennsylvania. We're sitting here at a truck stop in Ohio getting some fuel before we hit the road again. But I want to tell you what we're actually doing here. So Chicago Projects 1 and 2, we're taking them to Label Motorsports. And what's going to happen there is the Chicago projects are actually going to be a muse for a custom C8 wide body build that our client in Chicago is having built. He wanted to have the bikes delivered to this mod shop to have the car built around the design of the motorcycles. How cool is that, right? So we're headed up there. They're in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We are going to meet with the shop owner and our client as well, and we're taking you guys along for the ride. All right, guys, we made it to the dealership. We're in Grand Rapids. We're just pulling in now, looking for our guy. Get these bikes unloaded and show you guys inside the shop. Immediately walking into Label, we were blown away with the quality these guys are putting out. Full carbon fiber wide body kits for C8s and other supercar platforms. The bikes looked phenomenal in the showroom. The client was super happy. The shop owners are really nice guys, and we're actually talking about possibly doing a Boxer Moto and Label collab in the near future. We'll keep you guys in the loop on how that unfolds.